Welcome to channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat account password. Suppose you have forgot your Snapchat account password. For this you can't open your Snapchat app, and then you have to choose another way for changing your password. For this you have to tap on the Google search, then write change Snapchat password, and in here you will find the link, and then tap on the first link. In here you have to put your email address to reset your password. Just tap on here and put the email address of yours, and then they will send a code to your mobile. Then you just have to put the code, and then you can reset your Snapchat account password. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.